Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel, Jackie Gaming. Today, I'm gonna provide you the promo codes for WWE 2k24 Logger. So before watching the video, please do like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications on our new videos. So without wasting time, let's get start the video. So the first code number 1 is CASHINGITIN, and the second code number 2 is GAMEAWARDS24. So guys, use these code and get rewards. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.